The AirPods Pro 3, Apple's next-generation premium wireless earbuds, are rumored to be in the final stages of development, with a release lineup for late 2025 most likely during Apple's iconic September event alongside the iPhone 17. But unlike a typical refresh, this update could mark the biggest leap forward in AirPods history. In this deep dive, we're unpacking everything we know so far, from new AI-powered features and health tracking sensors to lossless wireless audio, media control innovations, and even the possibility of reverse wireless charging. Whether you're an Apple fan or a tech-savvy audiophile, the AirPods Pro 3 are shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of wireless audio. Let's jump straight into the next era of AirPods. Rumored AirPods Pro 3 release date to 0-5. Apple has maintained a fairly predictable cycle with AirPods releases, often syncing them with its major September iPhone launches. Based on the latest insider leaks and supply chain activity, the AirPods Pro 3 are expected to debut alongside the iPhone 17 lineup, which places their reveals somewhere around mid to late September 2025. Industry analysts believe Apple deliberately held back on releasing the AirPods Pro 3 in 2024 to allow for more breakthrough features, especially in the realm of AI, health, and next-gen connectivity. This delay sets the stage for what could be a major moment in Apple's wearable evolution. Live Translate, real-time language translation in your earphone. Of the most exciting rumored features coming to the AirPods Pro 3 is Live Translate, a groundbreaking real-time language translation system powered by Apple's new AI platform, possibly branded as Apple Intelligence. Here's how it could work. The earbuds would detect a foreign language being spoken around you. AI would translate the speech in real time directly into your preferred language. The translated voice would be piped into your ear through the AirPods. This functionality could revolutionize travel, international business, and multilingual interactions. Imagine walking through Tokyo or Paris, and your AirPods seamlessly translate signs or conversations. No need to pull out your phone. This feature might even become exclusive to the AirPods Pro 3, using AI models optimized for the new H3 chip, which is expected to debut in this generation. Standalone AirPods App, total control in one place currently. AirPods settings are tucked away inside the iPhone Settings app, which works but isn't ideal. With AirPods Pro 3, we might finally get a dedicated AirPods app. The proposed AirPods app would allow you to manage audio modes and noise cancellation profiles, customize spatial audio settings, manually trigger firmware updates, track battery health for both buds and the case, view usage history and health data pair, and switch between multiple Apple devices instantly. This kind of centralized control could elevate the AirPods Pro 3 from simple earbuds to a full-fledged audio management system, especially for users juggling multiple devices across Apple's ecosystem. First ever wireless lossless audio via new chip for the first time in AirPods history. The Pro 3 might support wireless lossless audio, thanks to a brand new Apple-designed wireless protocol and a more powerful custom chip, likely dubbed the H3. Currently, Bluetooth limits the bandwidth available for high-fidelity sound. Apple is reportedly working on an internal codec or a proprietary ultra-wideband UWB solution to bypass those limits without sacrificing portability or battery life. Lossless audio would enable studio-grade sound with no compression loss, greater dynamic range, and clarity. Zero latency audio for musicians and gamers. Expect this to be paired with spatial audio upgrades, enhanced adaptive EQ, and low latency streaming when paired with the iPhone 17 or Apple Vision Pro 2. New media controls on the AirPods. A subtle but highly impactful hardware upgrade could arrive on the AirPods Pro 3 case itself. According to patent filings and internal reports, Apple may introduce a touch-sensitive control area on the front of the charging case. Here's what it might allow you to do. Single tap, play. Pause, double tap. Next track, triple tap. Previous track, long press. Activate Siri or noise cancellation mode, swipe. Adjust volume. This would transform the case into an interactive extension of the AirPods themselves and could eliminate the need to fumble with your phone while running, biking, or commuting. Battery life boost and smart power management thanks to the next-gen H3 chip and AI-based power optimization. The AirPods Pro 3 are expected to deliver a noticeable battery life increase, even with the new features enabled. Predicted improvements: 7 to 8 hours on a single charge, up from 6 and Pro to 36 to 40 hours with the charging case. Smart adaptive charging to preserve battery health, faster case charging via USB-C, and possibly MagSafe may also integrate a battery health system that mimics the iPhone's optimized battery charging, slowing down charge speed overnight to reduce long-term battery degradation. Built-in health sensors, biometrics via your earbuds. You read that right. The AirPods Pro 3 are expected to include biometric sensors, allowing you to monitor your health directly from your ears. Here's what could be on board: heart rate monitoring for fitness and stress tracking, temperature sensors to detect fevers, or cycle changes, oxygen saturation, SPO2 for respiratory and sleep health, head motion tracking for posture and physical therapy apps. These features could work hand in hand with Apple's Health app, giving you medical-grade insights without wearing a smartwatch. With sensor integration now appearing in Beats products too, the tech is ready, and AirPods Pro 3 will likely be the first AirPods to use it. Reverse wireless charging support, another major upgrade tied to the iPhone 17 is reverse wireless charging. This feature, long rumored and often teased, would allow your iPhone to act as a wireless power source for your AirPods Pro 3 case, simply by placing the case on the back of your phone. This means no more looking for cables on the go charging. Convenient, seamless integration between devices. With the iPhone 17 expected to support this technology, the AirPods Pro 3 case will almost certainly be MagSafe compatible and designed for bidirectional charging. Eye integration, smarter sound, and personalized audio. The AirPods Pro 3 may be the first Apple audio product to fully harness on-device AI, potentially powered by Apple's new Neural Engine enhanced chip. Here's how AI could transform your listening experience: smart noise cancellation that adapts to your surroundings, eye-based voice isolation during phone calls, dynamic audio adjustments based on activity and location, personalized sound profiles generated from ear shape and hearing, test auto-translate, voice transcribe, and context-aware Siri responses. This would be a massive leap from what we've seen so far, giving users a truly adaptive, intelligent audio environment. Security and Find My upgrades. With more advanced features comes a greater focus on security. The AirPods Pro 3 will likely include Find My precision location, with ultra-wideband motion-triggered anti-theft alerts, encrypted connection between AirPods and cloud devices, pairing lock to prevent stolen devices from being reset. These features not only protect your investment, but also enhance the tight ecosystem security Apple is known for. Perfect for travelers, athletes, and power users. So these features combined make the AirPods Pro 3 more than just earbuds. They're a wearable assistant, a health tracker, a travel translator, and an audio powerhouse. Here's who they're perfect for: travelers who need live translation, noise cancellation, and smart charging; fitness enthusiasts who want heart rate and motion tracking without a watch; professionals using them for high quality calls and meetings; gamers needing ultra-low latency audio; students and multilingual users using AI to transcribe lectures or translate conversations. Conclusion: should you wait for AirPods Pro 3? In one word, yes. If you're in the market for new AirPods, holding off just a few more months could get you a dramatically better experience. With real-time translation, lossless audio, biometric health tracking, and AI integration, the AirPods Pro 3 are shaping up to be Apple's most intelligent wearable yet, even more advanced than the Apple Watch. In some ways, whether you're upgrading from the AirPods Pro 2 or coming from a non-Pro model, the third-generation model is poised to redefine what's possible in your ears.